Presley was more than a colleague. He was part of my beginning, and somehow the end of a beautiful full circle moment in my career. We worked together on my very first film, Tsotsi. We were just kids back then. Young, hungry, and full of dreams even we couldn't articulate. And yet there he was, carrying the weight of that story with a quiet intensity that left everyone breathless. His brilliance catapulted my career into unimaginable heights. I don't say that lightly, but being part of Tsotsi opened doors that I didn't know existed. And almost 2 decades later, I had the honor of working with him again on Inamba Namba Josie Gold, this time as a director trainee, and once again, he was the lead. Still powerful, still generous, and still utterly magnetic. Presley made history. He made us proud, and he made us laugh. I'll never forget during the Tsotsi Oscar press tour, a journalist asked if he would consider changing his name to make it easy for Hollywood. And without missing a beat, he said, if Hollywood can say Arnold Schwarzenegger, they can say Presley Tshweneyagae. And if they can say tsunami, they can say Tsotsi. That was Presley, sharp, unapologetic, and always representing where he came from, with pride. He was our friend, he was our giant, and our golden thread, steering Sakomaf Town. Robala ka kgotso, Presley, you broke my heart.
Well, guys, that was to repeat to get the lady owayidlala ke no Presley kuTsotsi. Presley ke guys, abantu abaningi ke nje baqala ukumazi khona, as much as we're khona kuma theater and but ke most of us, including myself, guys, ngaqala ukumazi ke kwiTsotsi la duma khona ke kakhulu. According to Terry Petto uthi ke ngalesa sikhathi ke babe bancane kakhulu. uPresley wayena 19, but indlela guys ayidlala ngakhona kuloya mdlalo yamolda noma yabuilda ke the corpus that we see now with the river, that we saw with the river. And so yeah guys, bakithi kubhlungu kakhulu. Memorial service was very emotional ukuyibuka nje, nanokuthi nje look at this talent esiyilozile as a South Africa, ukuthi wow, what a talent. Like when they there's a lama clips lawo ukuthi ke with the river wenza so kwi number babedlala kanje. It was like wow, yo, it's so sad. Condolences to his family, friends, nakubona bonke ke abantu ke bakithi be close to Cobras. I prefer to call him Cobras, guys. It just makes sense because tonight just standing the river, guys. We know him as Cobras laphana ke with the river. And namanje kune story esikhona esiqhubeke negama lokuthi Cobras. So yeah guys, as much as Presley, but I love him as a corporate. So yeah guys, that was uTerry Petto sharing emotional journey yakhe ke kanye ke no